on the shores of the Mudafontaine Lake, we asked the question about Alfas. Alfas, a primarily Italian brand and somewhat associated to the mafia. But should you be a junior mafioso with not a lot of bucks but needing to move bodies, what should you buy? Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Supernova 1600. Nova meaning new, so the super new 1600. That's a little bit old. From this side, we can see Alfa Romeo's elegant design. This two-body boot is a sign that they've built for comfort. Inside the interior, it has been described as a living room or lounge. If your living room had a manual transmission with a lick of speed, because this 1600 engine is yet an example of how Alfa Romeo makes a lot out of something small. This rare little beauty. But on that note, I'm going to make myself scarce, in case the Corleone family finds himself short of a vehicle and I find myself sleeping with the Fishers. Arrivederci.